guys, this is my first video on my channel, and guys, my first video is I'm gonna show you my new tablet. This is my new tablet. Look at it, guys. My parents buy it for me because I had high grades. By the way, guys, I'm only 18. My dream is to be a big YouTuber. Then I started. I know, guys, I'm 8 years old. I started this old because I super duper want to be a big YouTuber. By the way, guys, let's back to the video. This is my tablet. This is the tablet that my parents buy me. Look at this, guys. Let's turn around it. This game is all cube. Okay, it has a keyboard too, guys. Guys, I'm gonna show you the keyboard. Here is. Okay, here it is. This is the tablet just my parents buy me. Guys, then bye bye. I'm gonna do some homework right now. Bye bye.